Revu offers two options for comparing revised documents: Compare Documents and Overlay Pages. Both methods identify differences between revisions using distinct processes. In this video, we'll walk you through using Overlay Pages. Overlay Pages uses distinct colors for each document being compared, stacking them on top of each other to visually highlight changes without storing them in the markups list. To access Overlay Pages, go to Document in the menu bar, then select Overlay Pages, which will open the Overlay Pages dialog box. If multiple documents are open, the currently selected drawing will automatically be added to the document list. When comparing revised drawings, it's recommended to add the original drawing first, followed by the revised drawings. To add revised drawings, click the plus symbol. You can add files from your computer or select from a list of currently open drawings. While you can customize the colors of the layers, it's recommended to stick with the default colors, as they have been carefully chosen to ensure a smooth overlay process. To adjust the order of the files, click, hold, and move the file up or down the list as needed. In the preview window, you'll see a live preview of the overlay drawings. By default, Revu attempts to align the drawings using the edges of the sheet. However, if the sheets are different sizes or the drawings are slightly offset, you can automatically align them using Auto Align, which uses AI to match the drawings. Alternatively, you still have the option to align them manually by selecting Manual Align. If the preview looks aligned, click OK. A new document will appear, highlighting changes in color, while everything that hasn't changed remains in black.